Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Tuesday morning, and it's just lovely. So Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. Let's start off with what's about to happen very shortly here. We're going to have or hear from Federal Reserve Chairperson Yellowstone Powell. Well, the Yellowstone is going to testify before Congress today. And of course, you're going to watch members of Congress praising this man, thanking him for the great job he is doing. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve is fleecing, beyond fleecing, our country and every single citizen here in the United States and around the world. Again, the Federal Reserve, public enemy number freaking one, has a grand plan in action, and they are fulfilling their end game right now, buying it all, funneling dollars around the world, suppressing rates for now over a decade, robbing savers of trillions of dollars in realized wealth, fostering a wealth transfer like we've never seen before, inflating a stock market bubble, a housing bubble, causing distortions across the spectrum of asset classes. You can't make this stuff up, but this is what is going on right now. And again, members of Congress today are going to lick this guy's feet publicly and praise him and thank you, sir, for your service. And it's enough to make you want to vomit. It really is. But that's what we're going to hear today. So just get ready for it. Let's see how that affects the markets. I don't know. Right now, stock futures are Dow futures are ever so slightly positive. S&P futures are negative. NASDAQ futures are deeply negative. But we'll see how this plays out throughout the day. Look, I've explained to you that this market has gotten, frankly, retarded, stupid. Record high, record high, record high, record high. We need a pullback. We need this market to drop. That's the truth. Now, speaking about dropping, Bitcoin is under a lot of pressure right now. Cryptocurrency is under a lot of pressure right now. At Bitcoin 58,000, I sent out in my newsletter, my free newsletter, link in description of this video. Look, I told people it wouldn't be a bad idea to pull profit here. And it looks like yet again I nailed it. You shouldn't be surprised. My calls on Bitcoin have been, frankly, staggeringly accurate. Anyway, I look at this as a buying opportunity. I really do right now. You play this however you want to play it. Okay. If you had gotten out at, say, 57, 58,000 and you rebought now or closed some of your position, you're really sitting pretty. If you didn't, that's okay too. In my view, again, this is how it works. Asset goes up, 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 drops, finds a floor, goes higher. I know there's all this talk from Janet Yellen, the Treasury Secretary. She's been putting Bitcoin down a lot lately. Okay, whatever. Unless they decide to somehow heavily regulate this stuff, I can't see how it's not going higher. You got corporations buying it. You got banks willing to store it for you. And the investment banks are buying it as well. Hedge funds. They jumped in here at 27,000 and started buying this stuff like crazy. That's where we stand with regard to cryptos, people. So again, look, you always should do your own homework. But to me, this is a buying opportunity. Okay. If the market drops, okay, that's a buying opportunity as well. This market has gone straight up. Just like cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, you need to drop, find a floor, go up. Easy money is not going to stop pouring into this market. In fact, it's going to be exponentially more moving forward. A lot more easy money is going to be flooded into the world economy, which is dead. And you're going to get lied to by Federal Reserve presidents talking about 5% economic growth this year. It will be negative, all right? But they're going to work very hard to try to convince you that what you are seeing is not real. That's their MO. That's what they do. String the public along, And again, like I've said, consider yourself lucky if you're able to see through the dog shit. And I think you are. If you follow this blog, you are very clear as to what is going on. And that means you know exactly what you should be doing. Exactly what you should be doing from every angle. We got this covered. We got it covered. They can play all the games they want to play. I don't care what they want to do. We can't be beaten. We're invincible. You understand? Because we know their plan. We know what they're going to do before they do it. So we jump ahead of it. We know what to do. So anyway, let's look at a few other things. Crude oil getting bid higher. Imagine my shock about that. Right now, physical silver, derivative silver is lower. Gold is higher. Look, that's part of the game too. Let them play their game. JP Morgan, we're going to play ours. We're going to bet against this debt, become our own central bank like we've all been doing for many, many years. Many, many years. The debt is going to inflate on a scale you have no idea how much they're going to inflate. And again, if we get another stimulus package, again, this is just another installment. They are creating a dependent society, a slave state. Again, what they had to do is kill the global economy, allow central banks to inflate like they're doing right now, have this merger between corporations and this new American government, which started under President Trump. Actually, no, it started under Obama, accelerated under President Trump, and Biden's just going with it too. Again, the presidents, kings, queens, monarchs, dictators do not run the world. It's all the banks. The banks run it all. Stand in front of the New York Stock Exchange and just look up at that building and you'll understand that the markets, the banks, the financial markets, that's it. That's what runs it all. Once you understand that, the freak show, the Pelosi freak show, the Biden freak show, Trump freak show, it all doesn't matter to you anymore. You'll understand where you are. Again, most people don't even know who they are. They walk through time and space oblivious to everything that's going on. They're being brainwashed by the mainstream media, brainwashed by the financial channels. They don't know what's going on. People have no clue. They don't know anything. By design, they're dumbed down. Most people are dumbed down, not you. If you're here, again, you are one of the elite. I don't care what your net worth is. That's the truth. All right, so with that said, in summary, we have cryptocurrencies taking a hit across the board. To me, it's a buying opportunity. All right, you think of how you want to play it. You don't want to touch it. That's fine. It's all good. Stock market needs to drop. Okay, that's my opinion too. It's gone straight up here. No asset class, no set of assets. Go straight up without a pullback, establishing a new floor, and then moving higher. With regard to metals, people, you know what to do. You know what to do. The central banks are going to inflate. Inflate beyond your wildest imagination. That's really the truth. Crude oil, keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on that 10-year yield. $1.36 stronger today. That's not a good setup for this market. That's not a good setup for this market. But we need to see how it's going to play out, and we have to hear what comes out of the mouth of Yellowstone today. So we have a few things to watch, and we'll cover this all at the end of the day. With that said, people, love you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.